Today you're going to learn how to play an easy version of the theme from Interstellar on the piano. I've made this tutorial super easy and beginner friendly, so if you're new to the piano, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do. But I have included 3 different levels of the song, so depending on what your level is, you can just choose which level's best for you and maybe work your way through the levels as you get better at playing. Okay, let's go to the piano and play Interstellar. Okay, for the Interstellar theme song, we're gonna start with level 1 and just our right hand. So you're gonna bring your thumb to the A that's below middle C. So here's middle C, just back up to A. You're gonna place your thumb there, and then finger number 5, or your pinky, is going to play the E that's above that. Okay, so you're gonna play A, E, and you're gonna hold on to it, and you're gonna do it 2 times. A, E, hold, and again, A, E, okay? Now the next part, instead of playing A on the bottom, we're gonna play B on the bottom. So we're gonna play B, E, hold on to it, B, E, hold on to it. Each of these sets we're gonna do twice. After you do that, then you're gonna play C, E, hold on to it, C, E, hold on to it. And then the final set is gonna be D, E, hold on to it, D, E. Okay, so let's put that all together. So you'll start on A, 2, 3, do it again, 1, 2, 3, then we go up to B, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then we go to C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then we go to D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Level 2, we're gonna add in left hand. So left hand is gonna go down here to this low F. We're gonna be playing F twice, and then we're gonna move up to G and play that twice. And then we're gonna move up to A and play that twice. And then once we play A, we're gonna go right back down to G, and then we're right back down and end on F, okay? And I'll show you how this goes together with the right hand in a second. I'm just gonna be moving finger 2 to those notes, but you can use whatever fingering you want. So you could use like 4, 3, 2, or you could use like 3, 2, 1, whatever's easiest for you. We're gonna put it with the right hand. So we're gonna start A with our right hand. Left hand is gonna be playing that low F. We're gonna play 1, 2, 3, then we're gonna play it again. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna move to our next set. So left hand moves up to G. Right hand's gonna play B and E. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left hand's gonna move up again to A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left hand's gonna move back down to G. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we can repeat it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now for level 3, I'm actually gonna start with left hand this time. So left hand is gonna keep playing the same notes, the F, G, and A. The biggest difference is we're going to open up our hand and we're gonna play the octaves down here now. Okay, so left hand's gonna play octave of F twice, right? Just like we were doing, and then we slide up to G, play that twice, slide up to A, play that twice, then we slide back down to G. When you play these octaves, you want to make sure that you're stretching out your hands and keeping your wrists nice and loose as you're playing them. You don't want your fingers to be really tense as you play because that'll cause a lot of tension. You want your wrists to be loose as you spread it out. Before we put both hands together, I'm going to show you what we're going to do with our right hand for this section. We're going to add something fun to our right hand. So right hand is playing the melody still, right? But the biggest difference is when we get to these top notes here where we're playing the D, E, and then the D and the E again, we're gonna cut that second section just a little bit short so that we can add in C, B, A, and then we'll go right back and repeat it, okay? So here's what it'll sound like. You'll play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pedal. So I'll go over just that part. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and then you go back and repeat it. Now let's try it with both hands together with the octaves. This is gonna sound super cool. We're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Left hand moves up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Left hand moves up again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Drop your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And once you have a handle on the notes and moving your hands, I'm going to show you a couple of things you can do to make this sound really cool when you play it. One of the things you can do is you can add in the damper pedal, which if you have multiple pedals, it's just the pedal that's all the way to the right. You're just going to press it down and lift it up in between each set. The other thing that you can do is you can start it out softly, so you can like press down really lightly, and then with each set get just a little bit louder. See how I'm gradually getting louder? And then here I'm gonna make it nice and loud. Okay, so playing with the dynamics will really help you. Another thing that's really fun with this song is if you have an electronic or digital piano that has the option to either go to organ or strings, it's gonna make this sound like it's straight off of the soundtrack. I just changed my setting to strings and check out what it sounds like. And then here's organ. Now, normally I do not like the sound of the organ, but it fits really well with this song. So if you have those digital options, try playing around with it. It really will make it sound super cool.